Yo, what is up, guys? It's Amco in 1999 again. Today, I'll be showing the new pipe, exhaust pipe, that I've made in my Baja Doodlebug. Now, as you can tell, I have no seat on it, but I'll go ahead and show you the pipe I made. Alright, there it is. It's a 1/2-inch pipe for conduit. We have an adapter on the back for just a regular lawnmower muffler. I used what do you call it? Oh yeah, hose clamp and some muffler putty. It's rated up to 2,000 degrees, which is plenty hot enough. And on the pocket put itself, I put the putty. Whoops, sorry, my hand's in the way. But I put the putty stuff, and then I put a bracket around it so it doesn't fly off. So I guess we can go ahead and start it up and show you. And if you ever want to, if I ever wanted to, I could take off the back muffler just to make it a straight pipe. And I could put on new mufflers if I need to. So let's go ahead and start it up. It might be a cold start. It hasn't started for a little while. So I'm going to start it up and show you guys the muffler working. As you guys can tell in the video, it's muffling the noise pretty well, actually. But yeah. Pretty much my mini bike running, guys. Hope you like this video. Please comment, rate, subscribe. See you guys later.